will you have your attention at the point of safety? Features a Boeing 737-700 series. The fasten your seatbelt, slide the flat end into the buckle. To release, lift up on the buckle, seatbelt will untie, cross your hips, all times while seated. The aircraft includes 6 emergency exits, 2 forward, 2 wing window, 2 rear door exits, signs overhead, lines over lead seat exits. Safety information card located in the seat back pocket in front of you. In the event of a water evacuation, use a life vest located under your seat. Open the container only if told to do so and remove the pouch. Open the pouch, remove the vest, place it over your head. Wrap the bag strap around your waist, buckle in the front, pulls and tighten. Once outside the aircraft, pull down the red inflation handle, and your flight boat into the tube at your shoulder. Flight attendants will cover the cabin to make sure seatbelts are fastened, seat back, tray table, full upright locked position, and crowns stowed. There's no smoking aboard the aircraft, including lavatories. Fellow law prohibiting with disabling or destroying the smoke detectors in the aircraft lavatory. Federal aviation regulations called passenger compliance. Posted placards, crew member instructions regarding seatbelts, smoking, and aboard this flight, no standing or forming a line in the forward part of the aircraft at any time. If the port lavatory is occupied, please wait in your seat so that person has to come out. If you come to the front and find it occupied, just return to your seat to wait on it, or feel free to use the restroom in the back. Only when the fast seatbelt sign has been turned off, it's safe to be out of your seat. Although we never anticipate changes in cabin pressure, should one occur, forward to mouth will drop from the compartment overhead. Activate the float locks to pull down the mask, extending that plastic tubing fully. Place the mask over your nose and mouth and breathe normally. Traveling with children or anyone needing special assistance, please put your mask on first and assist those. As soon as we get everyone sit back, relax, enjoy your scheduled 1 hour, 30 minutes into Austin. Scheduled arrival time into Austin is 1:50.
Oh, so you know it has to be turned off.
Okay.